So going into our sumo barbell deadlifts. All right, so we're gonna start off with our feet wider than shoulder width. All right, we're gonna flare our toes slightly out. All right, now from here, one of the biggest mistakes that people make is that the bar gets too far away. So we wanna make sure that we're right up against the bar and we're even on the bar. All right, from here, all right, we're gonna stick our butt back towards the back wall. As we start to do that, we're gonna start to bend our knees. Now our arms are just straight down. All right, we're gonna go down till we hit the bar. All right, and that's where we're gonna grab. Now we're grabbing on the inside of our legs. Now from here, we wanna drive our feet through the floor as we brace our core, pull the bar, and keep that bar nice and close to our body. All right, now as we go down, it's the same thing. So riding that bar down as close to our body as we can, stick the butt back, and we're touching down. Now, one thing we wanna make sure is that we're not rounding, we're not leaning. All right, we're sitting the butt back, keeping everything nice and tight, and we're driving our feet through the floor. Hips and shoulders are rising at the same time. All right, back down, touch, everything stays tight, and then we're right back into our next rep.